That issue was arising in one last code, na, that is executed by everyone.
Sir, actually, in Ritesh and my system that was executed, and also I think in Vaishnavi system it was run.
That crude operation, right?
Yes, sir.
For others, did they try it or not? Because it was a good example, and I want everyone to execute that. Fine. You people do it yourself. If you are facing any issue, just connect with us. Fine. Once you can go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Authentication process.
Okay, sir. Authentication keep your application secure by verifying user identities. In Express.js, JSON Web Tokens offer a simple and efficient way to handle this. JWTs are small self-contained token that store user data and provide secure access to tools. This tutorial explains how to configure uh, JSON Web Tokens authentication in Express.js, why it is important for security, and how effectively we implement it. Actually, for authentication or to know that the user who is is authenticate or not, so we require JWT tokens. Okay, what is Express.js authentication? JWT authentication uses tokens to verify users. JWT is made up of three parts: header, payload, and signature, all separated by dots. For example, there will be three portion in a JWT code, that is header, payload, and signature. The header defines the token type and algorithm. The payload contains user data such as ID or role, and the signature ensure the integrity of the token. When a user logs in, your server generates a token and send it to the client. The client then includes this token in request to access protected resources. Express.js verifies the tokens to grant or deny access. This method is stateless, meaning no session data is uh, stored on the server, making it lightweight and efficient. Actually, when we pass a JWT token, it contains three sections, and these three sections have different roles, and our server verifies that the section it is expecting from the user is same as the browser provided it. If yes, then only you can able to log in. That's how authentication works with JWT. Now, how to implement JWT authentication in Express.js? You can add JWT authentication to your Express.js app in a few simple steps. Below, you will find the instruction and code snippet to guide through the process. Okay, so first we have to set up our project. So go to your VS Code. First, make a directory name Express Auth, then go inside it and install the required dependencies like Express, JSON Web Token, and for .env file just for our secret token. Okay, so do everyone do this. I am also opening my VS Code and creating a new flow folder, Express Auth. Okay, now I am in Express Auth folder. Here I have to install. First, I have to give it the required packages. Then we have to install Express Web JSON Web Tokens and .env file. Okay, .env file is using to store our secret token. So that's why we are using .env. And JSON Web Token is for authentication purpose. Okay, so as you can see, I have installed all the packages required here. Now the next step, Express Web Frame for building the server. JSON Web Token generates and verified JWT tokens. Now .env manage environment variables. Configure your environment. Create a .env file in the root directory to store your secret key. Okay. So we will now create in this express auth folder. I will create a .env file. Okay. In this .env file, we have to store our JWT secret token. Okay. So I am copying this and your secret key here. You can change it anything you want. I want it to my secret token. Okay. So this is my secret token. Now we have to build the Express server. Create a file app.js. We have to create a file app.js. Wait a minute. Yes, we have to create a file app.js, configure a basic Express servers with JWT tokens to support that. Okay, what we are doing here, we are importing .env so that our JW token will be imported here. Const express require express importing our express library, and same here importing our JSON web tokens. Okay, now creating the instance of our express library, that is app, and you by using it we are calling middleware express.json. Now, const port equal to 3000 means it listen to the port 3000. What we are doing here, const JWT secret equal to process env.jw secret. Actually, by this we are providing our .env file secret to this JWT secret. Now, there is a user which we have sample user that have a username and password. Now we have post method. For this, we use postman. What we are doing here, we are getting for post in post method, we are getting username and password from our hopscotch. Okay, so we will send it through request.body section. Now, what it will do, it will see if the given username and the username we have provided here is same and the password is also same. It generate us the ID for that. Okay, now const authentication. Actually, it act here as a middleware. Uh, we have what we have done here. We have creating a middleware. How I get to know about this? Because it contains three parameter: request, resolve, and next. Any function which have next as a parameter, it work as a middleware. So it's what it's doing. It const auth header. It is requesting the header section to provide a key name authorization and its value. Okay, so now this authentication middleware is passed in my app.get method. So what will it do? Like simply when we go to browser and put localhost colon 3000 slash profile, instead of doing that, what we will do, we will go to Postman or Hopscotch and provide the header section in get method and give the authentication value there. So we will have to also, for getting this app.get, go to Postman section. And at last it is running on port this. Now let's try to execute the code. We are copying the code. Now I am creating a file app.js and pasting the code here. Okay. Now, as we have done that, the next step is to test the implementation. What I am going to do in Postman section, I will start my server node space app.js JS. Okay. Now I am moving to Postman. You can go to Hopscotch. Okay. Now we have to first post our which it is token. So for posting it, we have to use the post. It is slash login. Okay. It's a post method. Now body, and I want raw JSON. Okay. And what we have to provide? We have to provide here the username, what actually it want from us, a username and a password. So I am copying it also from the website here. I have copied the username Alex and password this. Okay. So after sending this, what I am seeing that it is giving me a token, which is that contains three parts. See here we can got two dots in between the token, first here and second here. So what it means, it contains three parts, from this to this first part, from this to this second part, and third part is this, which, and these three parts have their different works. So what I will do now, I just simply copy this token. We have copied that. Now what we have to do, as you can see here, in our get section, app.get profile, it is asking for a middleware, which is authentication token. Now this middleware requires a header section and want the key authorization. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to pass our token, which was generated there. We have to pass this in our get section. So what I will do, I will first change the post to get. Now it is listening on slash profile. So I will change my login to profile. Okay. Now what we have to do, I have to go to my header section, and in header section, I have to provide an authentic authorization. And in authorization, as you can see here, we have done this. We have generated a token. Now what we have to do, uh, copy the token in get request. And for this, we have to use authorization header, and its value will be, first we have to write here bearer and pass the token we have generated earlier. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I have first created the key as authorization. Then here I will write bearer. Okay. Now I just have to paste this. Okay. And when I send this, okay, so what it's saying, message welcome authenticated user. And it's providing me also its user ID that you have in login, and your user ID is one. So that's how we can, what we are doing, we are authentication. We are doing authentication, how the server gets that this is the required user, which I have to give the access through the JSON web tokens. Okay, now for has everyone done it? Hello, have you run it,
Yes,
guys?
Vansh.
Okay, everyone. Uh,
Executing it.
okay, okay, Ritesh, please execute. Okay, good, Vaishnavi. When everyone run their code, then they will tell me so that if there is any error, we all can resolve it. I am recapping what we have done here. Okay. First of all, I created a folder named Express Auth. The first step was to create this folder. And after using command cd space express auth, I go inside this folder and install three things. First, npm init space -y, which provide me the packages, package.json. Then after that, I used npm install to install three packages like Express, JSON Web Token, or .env. What we are doing? Actually, we are doing authentication that there is a actual user we are creating that will log in into some site. Okay, then how server detect that the user who is logging is real or not? By a password, and that password is it's an important thing. So we will put it in .env because the credentials are important to log into the website. Otherwise, anyone can log in and do whatever they want with your site. Okay, so now we after installing these three, what I am doing, I go to web w3 dot express.js and copied the whole code here. The code written here is copied from that website. Okay. Now, after running it, we go to our post. Okay, I think it's not visible now. What I have done, I go to my postman, put the post request, the URL here, and in body section, just send the username and password. Why these two things? Because it is the only thing it required there. As we can see in our code, it is asking for username and password in request.body in post section. So that's why I use only username and password and send it. Then we can see we are getting the output here that our web token has generated. Now the next step was to access the get link which was protected by our middleware here. As we can see in our get section, there is a middleware authenticate token. So it is protected by a middleware. That's why we are not accessing it directly by browser. We have to send some header section here. And in header section, what we are sending to this, we are sending our authorization key and the bearer space, the token which we have access in our post request. Okay. So when I send it, what it's saying, welcome authenticated user, means it is identifying me that I am authenticate user and providing me a user ID, as you can see here. So that's what this code is all about. Now, if we want to check this on browser also, then we have to change our code a little bit. And for that, we have to take help of ChatGPT because it will create a code snippet that will help us. Okay, so everyone has executed it, or if there is any doubt, you can ask. Hello.
Yes, Vansh.
Yes, anyone has any doubt?
Yes, once I am still trying.
Okay, okay, Ritesh.
I think there is some change in hopscotch. That's why it
Oh,
is creating some problem.
oh, Ritesh, tell me, your env file is, what is your name of your env file?
I have generated token. I have just written .env file name.
Uh, what?
My token is generated.
Okay, token generated.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Just
okay,
little bit confused in sending the data
okay,
from
okay,
header
Ritesh.
section. That's why what I am
O-
fixing right now.
Okay, okay, no problem, Ritesh. You can resolve it.
Hmm.
Uh, if you want, you can share your screen, Ritesh, because everyone here is using hopscotch and I am using Postman, so it will be beneficial for them also, so that they can know how to send header in hopscotch.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Ritesh.
My screen is visible.
Yes, Hitesh, it's visible.
Yes, Hitesh.
Okay. So first of all, I have just mm, selected post method and which method, which use just login route we are using. So I have just written here login and I think yes, I have sent the username and password which was written in my index.js file. Same username and password we sent and we got our token. So this is the in the response body we got our token. So let's copy this whole and now we want to authenticate the user. So we will use our get request at the profile route. So at this, just change it with the profile and change the method to get. And in the header section, no, on in the authorization section, I have just selected JWT and
Uh, Ritesh,
Ritesh, Ritesh,
yes, yes,
I
send
have
it
yes,
to
used
header
hotspot.
section.
Go to header section.
okay,
Yes. Here
In
create a
key,
key authorization key. Yes.
okay,
And now pass only the the token which are presented in inverted commas. Yes. And use bearer before that.
where,
Here only value, uh, first write bearer, then space, then JWT token.
okay,
Yes.
here,
Yes, here.
that's
Okay.
fine.
Now, yes, now
remove
send.
remove remove the columns.
I think it will work. You can check that. Otherwise, we can remove the columns.
Invalid token.
Yes, so you have to remove the columns. Now send.
Okay,
Okay, that's it. We are using this. Everyone, I think now will be clear how we are doing this.
okay, thank you, Vansh.
Okay, so now we will move forward if everyone wants.
Yes,
So,
proceed.
okay.
Is anyone
Instead
left?
of Vaishnavi and Ritesh, anyone else have executed this? Okay, so I think everyone has done that. Let's move further now. Okay, so what we have done till here, what is now let's see what is bearer. We have used it in our uh, header section. A bearer token is an access token used in OAuth 2.0 and JW to secure API request. You include it in authorization headers as authorization bearer token. Here, token is encoded credential string that grants access to. Okay, we have done it. How it works? After logging in, the authentication server issue the token. The token contains key details like user ID, expiration time, and a signature of verification. The client sends this token with API request to access protected endpoints. The server verifies the tokens before granting access, ensuring secure and stateless communication. So this is how we are checking that authenticated user has logged in or not. Conclusion. This tutorial has demonstrated the fundamental steps for implementing JWT authentication in Express.js. By generating and verifying tokens, you can effectively protect your application roots and resources with the knowledge gained here. So this is what this section is all about. Now, Express.js JWT authentication with MongoDB. We don't have to do this right here because we haven't done MongoDB yet. So in next section, whenever MongoDB will come, we will done that there. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's move to Express.js session management. Okay. So let's see what is session management. Actually, in simple word, it is another way to check the authenticated user, and it is similar use as JWT. Instead of JWT, we can use also session management. Now let's give it a read. Session management lets your application remember users between requests by storing data on the server and identifying each user with a unique session ID. This capability becomes essential when you are building features like user login, access control, or personalized content. In Express.js, sessions are not built in, but with the Express session middleware, you can easily manage sessions after a user logs in. Okay, we will use a middleware here, Express session, through which we can create. It is not inbuilt. We have to build the session management application for that. After successful authentication, you typically use sessions. Once the user provide valid credentials, you can store minimal identifying data in the session to maintain their login state. This technique allows users to stay logged in as they move across different pages without needing to authenticate on every request. What is session management? Session management lets your server remember users between requests by assigning each user a unique session ID stored in browser cookie. The server stores the actual data and uses the ID to retrieve it. This feature allows you to keep users logged in, save setting, and track activity securely. Now let's start the code part. Getting started with Express session. Okay. So what we'll have to do to start Express session? First of all, we have to Express session install these dependencies. npm install Express session. I think we don't have to create a new folder here. We can change our app.js through this code. Or if you want, you can change the folder also. Let me create another one because for submitting classwork, it will help. Express session. Okay, I'm creating this folder. Creating this. Okay. Now in this, I will first now cd space dot dot coming out from my previous folder and getting inside session. Okay. Now what I have to do, npm space init space -y, and now npm install express space what I have to install also, express session. Okay, I am installing it. You also do at your system. Okay, now it's done for my Express session folder. I have seen here node modules, package logs, JSON, and package JSON. Okay, now what I have to do. So everyone has done this. Now set up your Express app and session middleware. What we have to do, this we have to paste the session. This Express and session middleware supports this. Okay, set up your Express and session middleware. Const Express require Express. Const session require Express session. We are using a middleware here. const app, we have created an instance of our app. Okay. Now app.use express URL encoded extended true. App.use session secret, your secret key, resave false, save. Okay, call this. Now I have to provide it. I am copying this code and creating a file name, whatever you want app.js. Okay, just pasting the code here. So it is asking for secret code. So I will change it to the one. Okay, you can change it anything you want. Now, what we are doing, I think we need to take help of ChatGPT for this. Let me see. Key session options. The Express session middleware supports several configuration options that controls how session behave. Below are the most important ones. Okay. Secret receive. Okay. First of all, instead of executing the code, let's read this. Key session options. The Express session middleware supports several configuration options that controls how session behave. Below are the most important ones. You should understand when building secure and efficient applications. Okay. Option secret. Description, a required string used to sign the session ID cookie. Use a strong unique key. Actually, secret is used to assign a strong ID cookie. Okay. Then resave. This action forces the session to be saved back to the store even if no modification were made. Set to false for better performance. As we can see here in our code, we have received it false. Don't save unchanged session. Okay, so why we are using resave? This action forces the session to be saved back to the store even if modification were made. अगर हम if we do modification also, it will store the saved back to the store. Okay, it will automatically be stored in our session. Save uninitialized. Saves new sessions that are uninitialized. Set to false to avoid storing unnecessary sessions. Actually, it restrict to store unnecessary sessions in simple words. Store defines the session store. Example, MongoDB Redis. Use in production for persistence. Cookie.message. We have also used this. This is time in milliseconds before the session cookie expire. It regulates the duration of the session. Okay. So as we can see, we have used cookie maxes 6000. Session last 1 minute. It will tell us when the session going to last. Okay, message. We have used cookie and message. It will tell us when the session is expiring. Now, cookie secure. Cookie.secure sends the cookie only over HTTPs. Sets to true in prediction. Cookies HTTP only. Prevent JavaScript from accessing the cookie on the client side. Okay. Cookie.sameSite controls how cookies are sent with cross-site requests. Use strict or lags to prevent CSRF. Cross-sites requests. CSRF is cross-site request. Name. Set the name of the session ID and rolling. Okay, storing session.
Vansh,
Yes,
hello.
yes, sir.
CSRF is cross-site request forgery. It is
Okay, sir.
basically one of the server-side attack.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
in
sir.
which these hackers are used this CSRF code to exploit the server.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is cross-site request for forgery.
Forgery.
Yeah,
Okay.
uh,
Cross-site request forgery.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Now rolling.
go ahead.
Okay. This action forces the session cookies to reset on every request, which extend its expiration. The feature proves to be beneficial for ongoing sessions. Okay, so what will it do? it forces the session cookie to reset every request. Whenever a request come, it will force the session cookies to reset. Okay, now let's see this code. Okay, storing session data with authentication. In a real world application, session data should only be saved after a proper authentication process. The example below shows how to store session data securely after verifying user credentials. Okay, so here we have defined uh, a object array where username we have given and a password we have also given with key value attributes. Now we have also given another user named Jane Smith and its password. Okay. Now what we are doing, we are providing a route for authentication, which will be hosted on HTTP localhost 3000/login. And what it will ask from us, it will require a username and password. So via our body section in JSON form. Now it will check that the username provided by us and the password provided by us exactly matched with both of these user, any one of these user. And if it is so, then it will send us message hello, like for example, Jane Smith. Hello, Jane Smith, you have been logged in. It will show this if we have sent it correct data. Otherwise, it will show invalid username or password. Okay. Now, what we are doing here, we are creating an get method protected dashboard. Why it is protected? Because it is uh, protected dashboard route requiring authentication, because it is using authentication here. So it will host it on /dashboard route. What it will do, if required session user and required session user's name, if both the condition are true, as here it is using and, then it will give us output welcome back and the username. Otherwise, it will say access denied. Please log in first. Okay, so let's run this code. In this example, login authenticate user. Okay, I am copying this code. And actually, we have to add some thing over here. This code is incomplete because there is no port provided here on which the request can be handled. So let's first complete this code. Code. Okay, so as we can see what ChatGPT has done, it has first of all imported some libraries which we'll have to use, like Express session, which we already imported. I think the body parser we haven't imported here, but it has a use, as it is used for data that we are sending from our hopscotch, that it will come in JSON form. So for this here, it is using const body parse. So let me see if we have to install it or not, because we are importing it. So we have to also install it. How to install? Okay, so first of all, I will sharing this code uh, in the chat box. Before executing this, you have to run the command npm install body parser. Here, this is the code. This npm install body parser. Okay, first let me share you the code. Okay, this is the code. This is the code. Paste it in your app.js file and run the command first npm install body parser. You have to use this command also. Now I'm changing my app.js with the code here and installing npm install body parser. Why are we requiring this? So that the data we will post from our hopscotch will be in JSON form. Okay. Now everything is done. We have set it up. Now I will run this server. Uh, node space app.js. Okay, it's running on my localhost colon 3000. Now, as it's saying, please post to login. So we have to go to our hopscotch or postman. Now what I will do, I will post it the username and password which it was asking. So let me see what was my post URL. Okay, so as you can see, slash login. At slash login, it is for post. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to go in body section, then username and password. I will copy that from the Express.js website. Okay, I want this as username and password. We have to change it a little. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Now, as it's a JSON form, so we have to cover it in double quotes. Okay. Same with our name. Everyone try at their end so that it will be understandable to all of you. Okay. I have modified my JSON data where I have given the username John Doe and password as password123. Now what I'm going to do, I am sending this. Okay, so you can see here, hello, John, you have been logged in. That means I have successfully sent the data through my post request. Okay, now the next step is to what I will do now. I will do. Okay, we have posted our data here and is showing this. Now, uh, let's go to our browser. Okay, now use it for what I have get sections, dashboard and logout. Okay, I am going to first dashboard. Let's see what it dashboard. Access denied. Please log in first. Okay, so I think I have missed the login section here. Okay, login. I have already logged in, and that was showing in our post section that hello John, you have been logged in. Okay, so we have logged in. Now protected dashboard. For this, what I have to do, okay, it's I posted. Down dashboard section. It is saying me to log in first. And what if I go to log out section? You have been logged out. And what if I go to log in? Uh, do anyone of you have run this? Actually, for post request, it is working well. As we can see, our output is also coming that user has logged in. It is also
Yes, it's
working
working
for.
for me.
Okay, okay, Ritesh. So how did you do that dashboard part?
I think I have used different code from which is I think my code is different from you.
Okay, okay. So do one thing, share your screen and uh, explain us so that we can also get it. Okay.
Okay. So let me go to my code first. So this is the code which I have used. Here it is login method which is using post method. And here we will pass username and password through our hopscotch and with which it will be using for its authentication. So I have opened my hopscotch and selected post method and using login route and send the username and password, the same username and password which I have mentioned in our index.js file, John D and password 123. And after sending this, its response body says, "Hello, John D, you have been logged in." And now I'm going to my localhost port 3000 dashboard. Let me write it here. And it is showing that welcome back and my username. So let me share with you my code. So try to execute it. If you are getting any issue, just share your screen or let me know.
Okay, Vaishnavi, hello.
Yes.
Okay, will you please share your screen for a while and run the code given by Ritesh or anyone
Okay.
else who is doing this? Or wait, okay, okay, you are doing it. Okay.
Anyone else want to do? One brother.
Okay, I am doing it. Wait, sharing my screen. Okay, so Ritesh, you have provided in that code in chat box.
Yes, once.
Okay, wait, here it is. Okay. Now in my app.js, I have Ritesh, do we have to install any dependency or not?
No, only an extension.
Okay, which one?
Hopscotch. Let me show you. Let me send the link in the chat box.
Ritesh, your code is showing error on mine.
Yes, you have to install first all the dependency required there.
Have you installed cookie parser? And
No,
Yes, we have to install. Vaishnavi, install first cookie parser and JSON web token.
let
JSON
me.
web token has been installed, but cookie parser are not installed.
Yes, so
Okay,
install it also. npm install.
I'm pasting the command in the chat box.
Okay, 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 Ritesh. Okay, where I have come. He was in Express session, no? Was where I have pasted the code. Let me paste it again. Require read in my Express MySQL Express session where it
I have
was.
pasted the extension link in the chat box once.
Okay,
You
Ritesh.
can just open it in your Chrome browser and add this to your Chrome.
Okay, just a minute. So it's right now. Create this npm install cookie password. Let's see. Okay, Ritesh. So the after this there is a link. Do I use hopscotch because I think Postman also work for it.
Okay, Postman is working, it's fine.
Nitish,
Oh,
my dashboard is showing nothing after logging successfully.
wait.
Wait.
Node space app.js. Okay, what is it saying? Uh, okay, I have to install JSON web token also.
Nitish, please
Uh,
check the chat box.
sorry,
Cannot get dashboard.
okay.
I think spelling error in the dashboard.
Okay, now I have to run this. Uh, it is
Localhost
running.
3000 slash dashboard. I think Vaishnavi, you have
Yes,
made
yes,
a
yes.
spelling mistake.
Sorry.
Okay. Now it's working. Yes, yes.
Yes, it's done.
Okay, post is on login. Okay, post login. I have posted. Okay, I have successfully posted it. Now going to my browser for login part. Where was localhost 3000 slash login uh dashboard. Access denied. Please log in first. It's so showing same thing, Ritesh.
Access denied.
Have you done
Yes,
a post request?
yes, I have posted it. See,
Oh,
I have sent it again. Now, mm, still it is saying access denied. Dashboard, I think spelling is correct. Dashboard, yes, it is correct. Okay, watch. Why it is showing error? Okay, I think we should continue. I will. I have. Uh, this- Actually, I can do it with hopscotch later on because I know the process for hopscotch also. So, uh, if everyone have executed, so we can move forward.
anyone is facing any issue? If he or she is facing any issue, let us know
Yes,
so
if
that
and
we can help them.
everyone have executed the code. Artika, have you executed?
Yes, you can move forward. I have.
Sorry,
Okay,
Vishal.
Vishal.
Uh,
He said you
what?
can move forward. We have
Okay,
executed.
okay.
Okay.
So we have done this. Okay. Now destroying a session. To log a user out, destroy the session and clear the cookie. What we just have to change the app.get logout section for the code and it will remain the same. So do one thing, copy this and change it with your logout section and see what result it's giving to us. Okay. Go to your code app.js. Here, add the logout section here. Okay, I have added the logout section after the dashboard section. Okay, post login. Okay, now we'll try to run this. Let's see, server is running. I have sent the data. It is sent successfully. Now I am going to my browser and let's see what it is giving on logout. No active session found. Actually showing error in me. I think Ritesh, you can share your screen.
Okay, Vansh. Let me try. So this is the code which we are using. I have just copy pasted the code. This the logout page, logout code, and going to send the request. Let me first send
Ritesh,
the
I
post
think your
request.
screen
Yes,
is
yes.
not visible.
Oh, sorry. Let me reshare. Okay, now it's visual.
Yes, Ritesh, now it is.
So I have just added the code for logout. So this is the code which I have copied from W3 school. So now going to the hopscotch, just going to send the login request again so that it can be logged in. Now we are logged in as John D. Now going to the dashboard, we can see that we are logged in here. And now I'm going to just log out using the logout route. And now you see that I have been logged out. And if I will check from here, the dashboard, I think access denied. Please log in first. That means the whatever user was logged in has been logged out due to our logout route. So
Okay.
this is the implementation. Yes. And we can check from our dashboard route that whether the users are logged in here or not. So try at your own ends so that you can have the clear understanding of how this
Yes, Ritesh.
route is working.
Ritesh,
Okay.
will you share the code again for this? Actually, copy that code and paste it in chat box because
Okay.
why I don't getting it. Why my postman is not working because it's showing the login.
Okay. Let me paste it here. I have pasted in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay.
Paste the code. Change. control in equal plus. Ah, okay, so now let me try again with Postman. Okay. I have started the session going to my Postman HTTP localhost colon login, sending it. Okay, after sending this data, I will give this command for dashboard. Yes,
Your dashboard is get request.
what it is?
Dashboard is get request.
Sorry.
Nothing
No,
else.
I am saying that I in browser I am not getting this welcome back John, but when I am doing it through Postman, it is working. Now
Okay.
let me see it for logout also. But before that, let me check it on browser. Now is it working or not? Uh, I have to see it here. Dashboard. Access denied. Please log into first. No, I think I am only getting this here only while using Postman. If the same code and the same process I perform in Hopscotch, I will get this in my browser. So
Yes.
it, what was that logout? Let me also check this is it working. Yes, you have been logged out. And for this, if I go to now login section, is there login? No, no, I have to post it. What been logged in? Okay, I think I have to use hopscotch for this. So everyone have done this. I am getting response here, not in browser, but everything is working here fine. So if everyone wants, then we can continue. Otherwise, if there is any doubt, so we can resolve it also. Hello guys, any doubt?
No doubt. Continue.
Okay, let me continue then. Okay, so what is the conclusion? In this tutorial, you learned how to implement session management in Express.js using the Express session middleware. You saw how to configure session handling, store session data after user authentication, protect routes using session checks, and cleanly destroy session during logout. Session management is a critical feature in web application that deal with the user login and secure data handling. Okay, so this is it from this. Now we have to use cross-site request forgery. As sir told earlier, uh, is a type of malicious attack where a web application is tricked into trusting a user's browser to transmit unauthorized commands. CSRF exploits the user active session to perform unwanted actions on their behalf. This tutorial will guide you through implementing CSRF protection in your Express.js application. Okay, so how can we protect our application from malicious attacks? It is all over about it. Understanding CSRF attack. CSRF attack occur when a malicious website, email, or application cause a user's web browser to perform an unwanted action on a site where the user is authenticated. CSRF trick authenticated users into submitting unwanted requests. These attacks can lead to serious consequences such as changing user account details. Okay, they can change the user account, making purchases without consent, deleting important data. Okay, of how CSRF protection works. CSRF protection uses tokens to verify legitimate requests. It works by generating a CSRF token on the server, embedding the token in every HTML form or AJAX request, verifying the token on each step, changing request. If the token is missing or incorrect, the server denies the request, setting up CSRF protection in Express.js. Okay, these are the three method we will look forward. Then how to protect our, how to get CSRF protection. Okay, now setting up CSRF protection in Express.js. Express.js doesn't include CSRF protection by default. Use the CSURF middleware to secure your application. Okay, okay. What it's saying that Express.js doesn't include CSRF by default. So we have to use a middleware for it. Okay. So first of all, we have to install the required packages. So install these packages in the same folder because it doesn't set to make a new folder. So we will work on the same folder. Okay. I am working on Express.js. We'll see. Now I will install all the required dependencies. Okay. It, okay. So I have installed it in my setup. Now, basic setup. Here is a simple Express app with CSRF protection. What I have to do, I have to copy this code. This is listening on port 3000. Okay. And using the middleware CSRF protection here. As we have imported it here, CSURF. So by that, it is using that. In this example, the form is returning directly as HTML string. Wait, let me copy this code and run it. I'm going to my app.js, changing the code. Okay. Now just running it. Node space app.js. Okay, so it is running on my browser. Checking it. What it is saying, where it is listening. Use form at form section. Okay, so I will slash form and enter. Okay, what is it asking? My name. I will put it here and then submitting it. Okay, so what it is saying that our CSRF token validated. So this is what we are doing here. first of all, importing all the libraries, then creating an app instance of our Express library, using that app instance to handle the middleware like cookie parser. After that, we are using our middleware, which is CSURF, and created a form section which has a post method input type hidden. Okay. And button type submit. Actually, they have created a input tag and a button. Now, if I go to, okay, instead of this, let me go to my postman and try to post my name through that. Okay, because it has also given me submit option. So let me go to postman also and check that if something we can do from there also. So here I have, instead of login, using submit. Okay. And the submission should be of a name. So I am using name and here bunch. Okay. Then let me send it. It's showing an error. Uh, Invalid CSRF token. Why it's showing invalid CSRF token? Let me raw JSON type. It's asking for name. Request dot body dot name. Yes, it's asking for a name. Wait. Control C. Let me run this again. I have started my server. Let me send it. No, it's not. Okay, I have used double slash here. That's why it's.
No, once you have to first get the CSRF token. See,
From where I can get it?
slash form you have written in the code now.
Okay.
Have
Wait,
got
wait.
get the CSRF token, then you have to paste on the post method the token.
Okay, I have to first open my browser.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Uh, okay. Now in form section.
Yes.
Okay, form. Okay, now
Then go through once. Yes.
submit. I can submit it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's saying hello one CSRF token validated. Now,
Copy this.
uh, whole line.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Come to postman.
okay.
Form data.
Form data. Okay.
Name.
Here name or what?
1 second.
Hello, Vaishnavi.
1 second.
Okay, okay. Vaishnavi,
Vansh, uh, uh, check that in the header section, the content type would be application slash text. I'm
where,
sharing
where, 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 where?
in header content type.
Here.
Yes.
But we are
Content type.
sending.
Content type I have shared to you in chat. Please check.
Okay, but here we are using posts or get.
Post.
Okay, send it.
Post localhost 3000 submit.
Okay, okay. No, what I have to paste in header section, I was asking you.
This is what I've shared to you.
This application.
Yes.
Getting it actually. Application in key attribute and other thing in value attribute. You are saying this.
Try it. Because I'm not getting good. showing
Wait,
something.
wait. You can, I think if you have run it on your code, then you can share your screen.
No, it's
Otherwise,
not running. It's not running
okay,
on my
okay,
hotspot.
then let me take the help of ChatGPT here. Uh,
Chat
what
GPT only.
it's what it's saying that after submitting the form section, we will get in browser hello one CSRF token validated. Okay, so we all are getting
Can
this in
I
our
share
browser.
my can I share my chat GPT if showing something so that you can understand?
Okay, just a minute. After this, I can. Okay. Yeah. So what is saying? Optional test with Postman. CSRF token are tied to cookies and session so far for Postman. Okay, Vaishnav, you can share your screen, I think.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, here send a post to token and cookies. The change the request post and set the URL. Submit. Okay. Then it's saying under header add the content type application this and cookie CRF value step. And in body,
Vaishnavi, copy this and send this like content type colon. Send this one and
okay.
cookie colon also. Yes. Now you can also try. Uh, okay, why are you not running in your hopscotch? Do it on your hopscotch so it will be good.
Okay, I'm just trying.
Here,
Okay, guys,
content type.
I have somehow fixed the code and have get the CSRF token, but my hopscotch is still not responding for the get, so you can follow me for those steps only. So
Okay, Vishal, you can
Please
guide
try
us.
yeah,
to
okay. So look, I'm sharing my just a minute.
Okay.
So this is the code I have run. So middleware is the whole code is same. I have just used code CSRF protection, which is cookie gives true. This is very important. You have to edit or somehow if you have missed it. So please write it in the code. And then I have used app.get form to get the CSRF token. So if I am running just yes form, then I am getting this type CSRF token. So I have to
Vishal. Okay.
yes.
Now loading.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Okay. So I am getting this type of some CSRF token by for slash form. So I have to just copy it, and then the next step is hopscotch, where I would be posting it the CSRF token. So how localhost doesn't submit. Why submit? Uh, why submit? Because I am using app.post submit. So here we it only runs if valid CSRF token is provided, and when I hit submit, data submitted successfully. So now again I'm opening my hopscotch post submit. Then in body, I have just provided this raw request body. In the main part is header. So in header, we have to create some key that what Vaishnavi is saying content type and application JSON, but we have to add new to header list, and in which we have to write X CSRF token, and then we have to paste that token here, and then again we have to submit it. But somehow why I'm not getting my hopscotch is not working well from since a long time. So again I'm getting extension error. So if this extension error would not coming, then it would be showing us what just a minute, the final output that data submitted successfully on the hopscotch.
Okay, I have got
So
okay.
the
Good,
output.
Vishal.
yes. Okay. You can proceed, Ritesh. Stop sharing my screen.
Yes, let me share my screen. So here we are. Let me. So this is the web page, and we are at localhost 3000/form. And when we go to our view source page, then we will get our CSRF value. And let me just copy it and go to my hopscotch. And here we are. And let me open my hopscotch. So here in the hopscotch, I have set the method as post, and we are at the route submit and sending our content type as application slash xwww form URL encoded, and writing just the name as Ritesh, which is the required content of the form, and sending the CSRF value as the which I have copied from my web browser, and just sending the code, sending the request, and it's working. And it is showing that hello, Ritesh CSRF token validated.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ritesh, hold your screen. We are trying.
Okay. If you are facing any issue, let me know.
Of course, Ritesh. Ritesh, can you tell from where you have get the CSRF code?
Yes, yes. Let me. I have just came at this. What was the route? Let me see. It was the route for form. So I have just came here form and just right click there, and inside the views page sources. In this we will get all the sources, and here we have the name as CSRF and its value, and I have just copy pasted its value in the hopscotch.
Okay,
So
Ritesh.
here you can get that value. Yes.
Ritesh, uh,
Yes.
before CSRF, there is underscore or what?
Yes, yes, underscore. The same
Okay,
name
okay.
which was showing on my web page. Let me show you. Yes, this name.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
I just copy this from that one.
Ritesh, can I share my screen? It's showing some error.
Okay, show me.
Is it visible?
It's still loading for me.
Okay. Now,
It's still loading for me.
Let me reshare it. Is it still loading
For me, it's still loading.
for everyone?
No, you are visible.
Okay, let me rejoin the meeting. I think there is some error issue in at my end. Yes, it's visible now for me also.
Okay, Ritesh. So on my hopscotch, I've entered the name CSRF. From here only I've copied it. But when I'm sending it, it's showing invalid CSRF.
I think go to the web page class form,
Yes.
refresh page, and now go to view page source. Just right click and yes, and now copy this code
Okay.
and now paste it here.
It's still getting some error.
But it is showing invalid CSRF token.
Invalid CSRF token.
I think you have not used. You have included this line. Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me paste it in the chat box. I think I have made change in my code and forgot to tell you that. Just I have used the app.use Express.js. I think this was yes. Is there any line which is using this? Let me paste it here. Okay, I am going to paste my whole code.
Okay, Ritesh.
Okay. Just use this code.
Okay, Ritesh, I'm using this one. Localhost form here auto console. Okay.
Yes, yes.
It's still showing invalid CSRF token.
Name, it's okay. Can you run it using NodeMon so that we can get the error in our console?
Where?
Run it using NodeMon.
Okay.
Okay, now send the request. Go to your terminal inside your VS Code
I'm here only.
and invalid CSR, same error. Just copy paste this in your chat GPT and let's see what it says.
Okay.
Is your code running with the web browser?
Yes. Here now.
Yes, in the localhost 3000.
Earlier is what it was running, but now it's showing some error.
Just go to localhost 3000/forms and enter the data here and submit.
Yes, it's running here.
Okay. It's running here and creating their problem.
And hopscotch.
Ritesh, what have you written in header section?
Okay.
Let
And oops, I will put something
let me
else.
see.
Okay.
Okay.
I have written nothing in the header section.
Okay. Your screen
I
is
have
not
written.
visible.
Let me share.
Yes, it is. Please share screen.
It is visible now.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I think in header section I have this was the authorization key which I wrote earlier.
He's not using header. He's done everything in
Yes,
body.
yes. We can
Okay,
delete
now
also this.
go to body section.
I have written only her name and I have
Name
entered my name
Ritesh.
and
Okay.
CSRF and its value. I think I should
Okay.
rerun this because it is
Oh,
creating problem.
Vaishnavi, now share your VS Code, I think. VS Code, oh, sorry, hopscotch.
Okay, Vansh.
Mm,
Ritesh, is the screen is visible? I mean, everyone is able to see the screen. I am not able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible in my screen.
Okay.
Mine screen
Rit
also.
Ritesh, can you please unshare and reshare it again, your screen?
Okay, sir. I send the post request again, and it is showing that CSRF token validated. I'm using the same code which I have shared in the chat box.
But Vaishnavi, I think you should try using it in header. Once you can try, you can see the output here also. No problem using header also.
Just reshare your screen, Vaishnavi.
Okay, Ritesh. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
In my header, I'm just using the cookie. And I think here the value will come which were on localhost.
I think no need to use this. I have not used this.
Okay. But I've also tried with body CSRF and now I'm changing this value. Okay, it's done. Done. I don't know how, but it's done.
Okay, I think there is no need to write anything in header section because
Yes,
we are
it's
not using
not
it.
compulsory. I've just used before, that's why it's showing.
Okay. Once, are you able to do this using Postman?
No, actually, from Postman is not working. I'm trying.
Okay.
Yes. Wait a minute. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Vansh.
Wait. Home section. Do this. Paste source. Open home section. Delete of this. Okay. So now I am then sending it. This is the error it's giving in my invalid CSRF token.
Once you also do one thing, cut your localhost and restart it.
Okay.
And then what the cookie value get it, cut all the everything.
Let
And
me
now,
restart the server.
yes, please restart it.
Okay.
Yes, go to localhost.
Now form section.
Yes. Now go to view source page. Copy your come to post.
Okay.
Send
This
it.
no same error.
Okay.
Go to my header section and check this all.
Okay.
Connection and authorization also. Even now body section.
You are using the
And
same code which I have shared in the chat box?
yes. I think now it's done. What? Wait. Header section. I have to just click authorization here.
No need it.
Now this is not showing any error, but also not.
Send it. Okay, now reload your form page.
Wait. Uh,
But this.
Loaded.
Okay, now go to
Copy.
send
Send.
it.
No,
What is
it's wait a minute. Uh, Content type. Let me open. Okay.
why are you working on header?
No, actually, I have just closed them all now, so I am doing it for
He's
that.
doing nothing with.
Connect SID. Let me change this. Wait a minute. Go to my list. This for submit. Close it once again. Choose. Inspection. This then what is my let me change this. This. Okay. Now I have two local host, but it is submit. And
Change it
then
to post. It's going
close
also
it.
well.
Close.
Not
No, it's not showing any. It's
uh,
showing. Okay, let me change. Don't I have to do it with anything here?
no. It will be the
Okay.
WW form.
In header section also there is nothing now.
No, nothing.
That I have that link connections. Okay, just loading them. Type deleted.
Others are performed.
What?
Others.
Oh, it's showing invalid CSRF token. Wait, let me now.
Please check it on chat.
App.js.
First, do one thing. You copied the code which ChatGPT has given to you and use on your app.js.
What?
The code ChatGPT has given to you, copy
Huh?
that and use that code.
Yes, I am using that code, but let me first see what is he saying, because it's not providing me the post section. Na. Section. Section. Sales. This now. Okay. Just post some everything is correct. You just have to change the content. Change it. Okay, done. Form tempered with invalid node. Now it's showing this. Great. Control C. Invalid token, right? Same invalid token. Okay, now this one. See that. Let me run it. Run it. So step one, like, okay, plus CSR is open from the cookies. Okay, let me paste the get request here. Get request. Control V, farm, and then I'm sending it. Okay, then it is giving me value and this. Okay, I'm adding this. Okay, copy this data. Okay, to from set cookie responsible to postman cookie level header bar to set cookie. Look for set cookie. You will see something like Guys, I think we should continue. I will do it from hopscotch. I will install hopscotch. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So, I think last code is left. Setting up CSR production. Okay. We have done this. Now handling the errors. I think we have to best practice. Okay. Best practice for CS RF protection, use HTTPs, present token sniffing during transmission, avoid get for state changes, use post, put, or delete for such requests, and regenerate tokens. Generate a new token for each such session or form view. Okay. Example with Ajax. To securely send Ajax requests, include the CSRF token in the request header. You are using EJS or another templating engine. Pass the token from the server and eject it into your JavaScript code. Okay. So I think we are using EJS. This is the last code I guess here written. Yes. So let's do this. What it's saying. We have this AJAX file. Okay. Push solely sent HX request included the CRF token in request header. You are using EJS or another templating engine. Pass the token from the server. Okay. So you go through chat GPT. I have used EJS templating. Then provide the code for creating IT.js code. Also, in any dependency and package. With using Node.js, okay, which require package and install Node.js. Actually, we have to install EJS also. Otherwise, everything is already installed there. Wait, where is my VS Code? It is installing EJS Express session. Express session. Okay. Yes. Now folder type will be project folder app.js. Then inside that we have to create a folder named views, and inside that form.ejs. So what we are doing inside our this, not a file, you have to create a folder. I have to create a folder name views. Okay. And inside this folder, I have to create a file form.ejs. Okay. Now it let me run it in my VS Code and you try at your end. Because I don't think is it properly working or not. Okay, I save this app.js here and use. Okay, I mean form section. I have to paste this file. How it works? CSR of the video stores the pages run the app Node.js localhost. Open DevTools console to see respond page hello with CRS. Spec page of the console. Okay. Let's copy. Run this new space. App.js. Okay. Now after reaching this, what we do? I have to go to this slash downside slash down no um, okay and opening dev tools in console in the so we know what's the message here third party. Uh, any one of you run this code?
What was?
Have you run it?
No, we don't have code.
Okay. What about you, Ritesh? Vishal?
I'm trying to execute.
Okay, okay.
Well, I think it will give the same output, but it is using EJS, no?
Yes, I think it's taking token in EJS file.
Yes, and otherwise the output will be the same.
Yes,
Okay.
I think so. Ajax. What is Ajax? Let me check this first. See, what is Ajax? Is Ajax asynchronous JavaScript.
It's JavaScript of protecting CSS.
Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Okay, Ajax page. Yeah. To Ajax is this. I want to run this code. Like you just paste portion you need how to run this code. Script successfully in your browser and must be embedded a server embedded JS script that provides the CRF token. Here is a full setup overview. The script send the post request to submit, sends JSON data. Okay, to run it, you need a project in which app.js is there using their form.js. Okay, you need a Node.js plus Express server. Use AJS as the templating engine. ठीक है. Required packages. Install these packages. I have already installed. My app.js should be look like this. Okay, then let me copy this code. Go to my app.js and I have to paste this control it, control S, control V, control. Okay, so this is the app.js is put in view.ejs. I have to put in views. Okay, in views form.ejs.
Once I got it on
Okay,
my local, I'm sharing my output screen SS on chat. Please check
okay,
it.
share your screen. What?
I checked the chat box.
Okay, take 1 minute. It goes and can able to see the meeting. Mm, yes, send JSON with CSRF via header. Okay, so hello Ashnavi.
Yes,
So is this the output of the code?
yes, I'm getting this output only. Ritesh,
Okay,
what's about you?
wait, I am also trying what it saying that open your browser, install packages branch.
And when I click on the send AJX,
Yes,
then
yes,
I got an alert
yes,
which is saying that
yes. Then
hello
that yes.
model.
Then this is the output. Yes, this
Okay.
is correct.
So can I share my code to you all?
Yes. You can share your screen, I think.
Okay.
Yes, share your screen.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. So I've changed my code here in which I've added this HTML
Okay.
this script, which was I think given by the WJS school only. So
Okay.
yes, okay. Now after that I've given an post button and at the get form everything is coming. Okay, let's try it on the post. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. You have to give the
I think your code is working fine.
yes,
You
it's
don't.
working.
Yes.
I just want a CRF token.
Okay. Do one thing. Copy paste your code in chat box so everyone can get it.
Okay. Just please everyone try this.
Yes, Vaishnavi, it's working.
Okay, Vansh. Others?
I have another method to execute it.
Yes, please,
Okay,
Ritesh,
Ritesh,
tell
you
us.
can also.
Creating server.egs file.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, you can also tell us about that.
Let me share my screen.
Yes.
So I have just pasted the code which I have copied from W3 school. I think this is the same code. And I have just added another div type for output. And it will just insert the output in this div tag. And I have created a route for a script to render our script.egs file. And it will request for the token and it will execute it. Let me run it. In the port and at this, I think script. And as you can see, hello Amit, CSRF token validated. And I think I also, yes, in I wrote there console.log, that's why it is also showing in the console window also.
Okay, Ritesh, this one is also alternate method. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just by creating different file for script.egs.
Yes. Okay, Ritesh, do one thing. You can also paste your code here, so we can have both options to run the code. File wise, you can put it here, like for server.egs and other.
What Vansh you have just said?
What, Vaishnavi?
What you have just said now?
No, I am saying to Ritesh that he can send his code so that we have both
Mhm.
option to execute the same code. So which one is easier, we can use that.
So once till now, what we have covered?
Sir, actually, we have covered the whole uh, section of authentication and security. Actually, we have completed this section,
Express
CSRF
the
protection.
CSRF protection. Okay,
Yes, sir, done.
it is done. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
So,
So
sir, Express.js is completed from here.
okay. Okay, so just check the your WhatsApp group. I have pasted one list of mini project based on the React.js, Express.js, and MySQL or MongoDB.
Okay, sir.
So you all need to. There are a list of the mini projects are there. You need to select either you work on group or there are 15 project actually. So I think everyone
Okay.
can take one,
Okay, sir.
and
This
you
one
need
is
to yeah. Any one of you download it in your system and share it here so that everyone can able to see.
Okay, sir.
okay. Vaishnavi, you share your screen. Okay.
This file is RESTful API.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes, download it first.
Is it downloaded in your system?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, and then share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Any one of you.
So is it visible?
yes.
It is loading for me. Yes.
Visible?
No. It is not. This is not the
AIML,
file. This
second
is for
one.
the AIML. Second one. Second file.
So this.
Yeah, this one. So you all need to select any one of the project mentioned here, which is based on the Express.js, React.js, MongoDB, or MySQL, and need to prepare it
Sir,
and
Sir,
work
can
on
we
it.
separate?
start telling our project name?
Yes, you can do one thing. Any one of you open one Word file and or note file,
Yes, sir.
and then mention the name and what project they have selected. Just prepare one
Okay,
note of
sir.
that and paste
Okay,
it here. Okay.
Vaishnavi, you
Yes,
can
yes.
write your name. Okay, for me, Vansh.
Yes, one
I
sure
think
project.
I think everyone can do this individual because there are 15 projects. So I
Okay,
don't
sir.
think group is
Okay,
required.
sir.
Vaishnavi, I want
What's
to-do
not?
list manager.
Okay, Vash.
Yes.
Okay.
Everyone, please tell their project name so that we can get mm, mm, what you are taking, so that other one select their own project, which is different from other.
Okay, mine is
So
book library system.
Now anyone can tell their
Vaishnavi,
project.
Yes, Ishita.
mine will be e-commerce, ninth number.
Okay. Okay, Ishita.
Vaishnavi,
mine will be
Yes.
blog API.
Please say one by one by your name. Yes. Ritesh.
Ritesh Maurya, blog API. First one.
Okay.
Vaishnavi,
Rupam. Who is
mine will be
Apeksha? Yes.
event booking API, 10th.
Okay, Rupam.
Hello, Vaishnavi, Apeksha.
Second. Rupam. Yes, Apeksha.
Student Result API.
Okay.
8th.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Vishal.
Yes,
Vishal Rai.
Vishal.
I'm working on Notes app API. Notes app API.
Okay, Vishal.
Thank you.
Hello, Vaishnavi Singh, product inventory API.
Which API?
Product inventory API.
Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay. Others? Abhinandan?
Just a minute, I am checking out.
Okay.
Hello, Vaishnavi.
Yes, Ritesh.
For Sandeep, just write online quiz MCQ system API.
It's
14th number. 14th for Sandeep.
okay. I think Artika has left. Okay. Only Abhinandan is left.
Please let me know once you prepare the list. I'm just coming back from another call in 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Feedback collection system.
Which one?
Feedback collection system.
Okay,
12th number.
Abhinandan. Okay, everyone has done now. Artika has left. Is she is there in the call or not?
Vaishnavi, I think Artika is not there.
She has left the call.
Yes, so group has been decided. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone assigned the project. Okay, 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
There are 11 people. Right? Artika is not there.
Sir, Artika
Okay,
has left the call. She left the call.
okay, fine. Fine. So we will work on it. We will work on it live. Okay. So in evening we
Okay,
will
sir.
connect and work on it. So one of you will be share your screen and work on it, and the rest at your own system. Share the screen and not share the. You will not share. You will work on your system, and in this way on the oncoming live we will perform this.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Fine. So for now we are good enough. We can. Anyone has any query? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Fine then. In evening we will connect and we will continue. And by next week we will start on MongoDB.
Okay, sir.
So fine. This is all for today. I mean for this session, morning session. We are good to wrap up this call. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.